Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to see about the methods in Python. Okay, so there are five stages in design thinking, like empathize, define, ideate, and prototype and test. So here empathize is to discuss how students perform actions such as studying, attending classes, and writing exam. In define stage, it identifies the action that is represented as methods in the student. Ideate. The, it, it has methods like study, display, calculate, marks, and attend the class. Prototype. It creates a Python class with these methods and it executes a program. Test. It runs a code with different inputs, verify the results, and improve the program. A method here is a function which is defined in the class. It describes a behavior or actions that an object of the class can perform. The methods can access and modify the object's attributes using the self keyword. So here we have the class name, we have the method name. Okay, so the method name which is followed by self attribute, and method body we can print the particular statements inside the methods. Okay, so we have a simple example for the method. The class, the student name, followed by the definition display, which is self, and then print, which is the welcome to Python OOP programming. It creates an object S1 and it initiates a student method and also display, student class and display. Okay, so S1 is a object name and method is the display. Okay, and next is methods with attributes. So we have like attributes like name. Okay, so how we can instantiate the particular name by creating the object S1. So S1 followed by the display. Okay, here the types of methods in Python, we have instance method. So it works with instance object variables. So it can be init. Okay, init means to initiate the particular method, which is followed by the self attribute name, and we have another function as display. So display will have the print statement. Okay, so here we can initiate the method student and display by using the object s. Okay, so it works, take self as a first parameter. So whenever we have the inside the method we have some statement, it is a parameter. Okay, self is a parameter, name is a parameter. Next is class method. So it works with class variables. It uses this class method decorator and takes CLS as first parameter. And static method, it does not access instance of class variable. It used for utility function and it also uses the static method decorator. Okay. And next is real-time example. We have the bank account. The bank account is the class name, the bank name, like, and we have the method like init, and we have deposit as a method. Okay, so here we have the bank name ABC Bank, and we have the method name, and also deposit is one of the method. So we have like static method and the class method. So static method like interest rate, and the class method is the bank. Okay, so we can initiate the class method and static method with by using the object. Okay, so bank account dot bank, bank is particular method, that is class method. We are going to initiate one more method like static method, it is interest rate. Okay, so here now what will be the advantages of these methods are like to encapsulate the behavior within the class, to improve the code reusability. Okay, so we can reuse the code whenever we have it in the project, and we can make the programs modular and to be organized. It also allows the data manipulations through objects, and it supports abstractions and encapsulations. Okay, so these are the methods for particular advantages that it can be used for methods. So encapsulation, wrapping up of objects. Okay, and improving the code reusability. Reusability is always one of the main advantage for all the classes methods. Okay, whenever we use the same thing, same code to improve the time consumptions. Okay, so that is a thing. And here the mind map. So now we have seen about the definition, we have seen the types of methods and also advantage of the methods. So advantage like modularity, encapsulation, and also easy to maintenance, and reusability is also one of the advantage. So types of methods like instance method and static method, and also we have seen the real time example. Okay, thank you.